How to add a W-2C in TurboTax. So first you will need to go to TurboTax and sign in to your account. Then you will need to go to Income or Documents and then select the specific year you want and then click on Add Tax Docs. And then you can choose one of these options to add your W-2. You would look for W-2C, or if you have a different version of the software, you want to look for add a W-C or corrected W-2 option. Otherwise, you can click on upload, snap a photo, or import. And then you'll need to enter the updated information from your W-2C and only the corrected boxes, not everything. We would also need to make sure that it replaces the original W-2 values and it does not duplicate them. Or you can just upload the corrected document directly and then go to Documents and remove the old one from the Documents section here. And once you're done, you can review your return for changes in refund or tax owed. And then you would continue your file process or refile if needed, especially if you've already submitted. Just keep in mind that a W-2C is only used to fix a previously submitted W-2, not to add new income. And if your return was already filed, adding a W-2C usually means you may need to amend your returns as well. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.